in the second mile. It's very hard. Friends, what is living in the second mile? What is living in the second mile? What is first mile? If you read, go on. In Matthew chapter 5, verse 42, 43, and 44, you will know that to love your neighbor is the first mile. Uy, sa'yo na nila. Magharana ta. Kisa itong haranaan. Katulad ni Muhang Maringkod. Oh, really? May problema. Kisa itong haranaan. Kinsa itong may gustalian. Kinsa itong lutuan ng biko. Katulad ni Muhang Maringkod ba? Katulad ito naghara sa imong sapatos po sa una. Katulad pahulang sa imong tinintos. Ay, may problema. We can pray for him. Kung nagsakit siya, kanuoy. Sa'yo na kinano? Sa'yo na kaayo ang first mile. To love your neighbor is the first mile. But you know what? What about this? To love your enemy is the second mile. God requires us to live in the second mile. Friends, let me ask you, why are you sitting there and not here? Naabang mo second mile dito sa church. Is your husband, your wife, your second mile? Are your kids your second mile? Is your work your second mile? Friends, to love your neighbor is the first mile. To love your enemy is the second mile. Kaya hindi na bumper to bumper. Your neighbor, may problema na. Kailan magbuwan na ako man ang parintig. But to love your enemy, think of your enemy now. Kinsa nang pa-stress din sa imo. Naara ba yun na yung sa iglesia? You just don't know. Ano malakot pinig ba na niya eh? I just don't know. Mairitali kung magkagawa na niya. Labi pa iyang sinida niya. Niguling doon sa'yo. Baro-baro din. Magyong kinsa. Friends, mohang yung Ginoo. Sister, brother, mo narabanan imo ang ampuan karon. Karon ba, mamembro para mahina sa imong small group. The person that I really hate, kuyog sa small group, pagsyon na nino. Pwede mo ba rin? To love your neighbor is the first mile. To love your enemy is the second mile. What about here in the hospital? Na ay mga pasyente nga makalilisan. Ay may problema na. Ako ang malagangkod. I can administer anything. I can attend to him anything. Pero kini may radyo na kasakit birisi. Kaya masakit na ba ito si Pama? Katubitawang ipanguyaban ang imuhang uyab. Katubitawang sumbagan mo kay nangilong sa imuhang uyab. Karoon nagsakit na ba? And ikaw dito ang nurse. Karoon ka. Ako kinibutayan na yung nilunod rin. Muriati kasi dito tainom naman, di ba? To love your neighbor is the first mile. To love your enemy is the second mile. What else? To bless those who bless you is the first mile. Ay, may problema. Sige, sister, pahulan mo tika sa akong sanina. Sa akong bago, may problema. Gipahulan mo sa una. Pero what if one night you knock on the door crying, Ayo, silingan, please open your door. What's the problema na? You know that your silingan has money. Okay, ha? They have money, kinakadutong na kadakot sila sa nagluto. But you know they are well-to-do. And so one night you ask, please, pwede po makahulang og 2,000 na kay akong anak nagkasakit. Please, 2,000 lang yung sister, please. Yan ka po sa 2,000, hindi ka kabayan pa. They judge you on your appearance. Please, kung sa mong promise, I will really repay you on Friday. Please, Lord, please, ako anak yung nagkasakit. Muingon dahil, ma'am, sorry. Silingan, sorry kayo. Huwag pa may kwarta rin. Amo mag-ibang kong ipadala. But you know na is kwarta. But di baliparan ka. So please, it's a 500 na. Huwag yung kwarta. And so, diulit ka. What happened to your daughter? Nagkasakit. Ni grabe nila wala yung kwarta. Pero galis so kayo na ayaw ang imuhang anak. And so, mula kita, ang ato kinabuhi, murag aninipot. Kinabuhi sa ninipot, sometimes mo pataas, usahay mo paubos. Karon, nabali na. You are now on the upper hand. Oh, yes, thank you Lord for all the blessings. And one night, your neighbor that did not lend you something, nanutok. Sister, dito ka sa abidis na ito nga higala. Kisigan ba sa small group? Di ko nalayan sa Ginoo. Nanutok one night sa imuha. Pag-abri niyo, lo and behold, it was your neighbor who did not lend you 2,000. Naghangyo na siya, please, bisag 100 lang sister, mo biyahe ko dito. And now, kasi yung batiyon, mercy. Kaloy na ko, ano yung panahon ba? Ako na gini nga style. Sir, wag yun. Siningan, sabi niyo kayo. Pero nagkatawa na ka, kabalus na yung pagkaroon. Siningan, mabiling pantay yun. Pagkulang ko na madalas kong anak ko ba? Friends, to bless those who bless you is the first mile. To bless those who curse you is the second mile. Promoted na ka to be the president of Davao Sanitarium and Hospital. Unfortunately, na yung nagpasipsip, ninaog ka. Karoon ikaw na dito, asad ko pasipsip din. To bless those who bless you is the first mile. To bless those who curse you is the second mile. I-accuse ka of something o wag ka kabalo. Natanta ka sa imong trabaho and you are there. You know, kung saan naman eh. To love your neighbor is not. Wait, everyone, are you still awake? To love your neighbor is?
First mile.
To love your enemy is the?
Second mile.
To bless those who bless you is? To bless those who curse you is the second mile. Read on, verse 44. To do good to those who bless you, to do good to those who do good to you, is the first mile. Ang may problema na, itabangan ka ka sa homework. Sige, may problema na. What if ako homework ko? Wala nagpakopya. Wala katabangi sa LTO. Wala katabangi sa ilalong. Wala ipahulam, gigutom na lang ka. And now, here comes you. To do good to those who hate you is the second mile. Is there someone that hates you now? Could you please bow your heads and say, Lord, please bless those who hate me. To do good to those who do good to you is the first mile. To do good to those who hate you is the second mile. First mile is crowded. Hayahay kina. Second mile is not busy at all. First mile is bumper to bumper. The second mile is almost deserted. Friends, God requires us to live in the second mile. Christians are supposed to live in the second mile principle. To pray for those who pray for you is the first mile. I love to pray for him. Kaya uyan na ko na, di na panguyaban pa man ako na. Ako ka man nakasawa sa iyong tangina. But praying for those who despitefully use you is the second mile. Despitefully use you is the second mile. Friends, if someone forces you to go 1 mile, what did Jesus say? Go with him 2 miles. Friends, kumusta ka ta? Is there someone? Is the church your second mile? Is your workplace your second mile? Is your boss your second mile? Is your loved one your second mile? Is God's message your second mile? Ginoo, salamat kayo. Nagka-offer ko sa atong Sabado yun. Karoon naging Sabado. But I encourage you, katugan ng mga trabaho Sabado. Friends, think about this. Ang nanganindot sa Ginoo, God will never force us. If you love me, there's really a condition. If, don't worry, I will not force you if you want to stay in the first mile. You know what, friends? We see second mile of other great men such as, number 1, Abraham. He could have stayed in the land of the Ur. But God brought him to a place questionable. Ginuasan ka pa dulo. And remember, after that, gitagaan sa na, who was his son? Who was his son? Isaac. One night, God spoke to him. He was sleeping. I don't know kung sino ba yun. God said, Abraham, stand. Take your son to Mount Moriah. Kill him as your offering. Natulog ka. I'm sure it was God. Nibangon ka. And so you woke everyone. Mata-mata mo. You woke everyone up and said, everyone, let's go. Let's go to Mount Moriah, including your son. Your only son. Nga di na promised. Tanawa, while they were preparing things, while they were walking, God did not speak to him again. God did not speak to him when they were going to Mount Moriah and said,
Kasi dahil kung kawan lang pa ito Ginoo, padulong yun ko dito. Do you really want me to go to Maganga? Do you really want me to be assigned in Himog Hospital? Lord, where are you now? Please talk to me. But Abraham was there doing his second mile. Lord, I know your will be with me. God did not speak to him again. Tanawa. You know the rest of the story. Enoch, he walked with God. What else? Who else? Noah. Noah did not have this projector when he was preaching for how many years? 120 years. He did not even know, he doesn't even know what is rain. Di niya mapicture kung saan ang rain. Kaya what may rain na to? The nature was so perfect. Ang iyang na-imagine, ang moist lang na dila sa blade of the grasses. But Noah, okay, tell us, unsa man ang rain? Unsa man ang storm? What yun? For 120, he spoke. It was his second mile. Elijah. Who else? Jeremiah. Moses. Who else? Joseph. Imagine ninyo, ha? Lord, I will stand before you at Egypt. Bahala mo kinausa. I will be a strong Seventh-day Adventist. And now here comes Mrs. Beautiful Potiphar. Gi-set up na to mga kaigsunan. Gi-set up na to ni Mrs. Potiphar. Kapalo siya, lamitig abs ni si Joseph yun. Kapag braso mo murag si Puro Paspagin. Pero di ko po And ang nakanindot, he can go inside, around the house, freely. So, dalawa, nag-set up na si Mrs. Potiphar. So, okay, this is ang akong ban na busy kistanan. Imagine ninyo, Joseph, please come here, more light at ulikot. Masahe na sa ito, ma'am, kasi lumay dito, ma'am. Di na ko na mahimo, ma'am. Sige na, Joseph, sa walang puti kayo. Kagaling na good, pero dalawa, sihag kay tanan, makita ang tanan. Ma'am, pastilan, hilot-hilot na. Ma'am, tama na rin, ma'am. Sige na, dali na pag, ma'am, di na ginagawa ni Magaya. You know what? Nadala na yun. Si Miss Potiphar. So what happened? You know what happened? Joseph was thinking, Lord, how can I sin? How can I do this thing? And you know what? When she screamed, she said, Joseph, please, karon na. Ang uban karon, ingo pa nila, kung ikaw bukaran sa botol, tao na lang. Kung ikaw mabasa ako sa lang, ligo na lang. Atik pa kanina, paliwan yung story sa komigo. Dali-dali sa, Pwede. Sa magigan. Dito ko sa waiting shed, bakit ito waiting shed ito? Ingit-ingit nga waiting shed. No, bakit ako gagawin na ito? Dito ko ganina ang partner. Dito ko ganina. Ako sa nila eh. May babae dito ba? Kaya babae. May hangis ako. May kuwan sa ako ka. Punoon sila. Ingas. Partner, ikaw ka. Kasi bahatol. Ang kata na yung amigo niya. Wapa? Yes. Wapa yun. Sexy? Yes, sexy. Ako bahatol? Kawiro si Kuma, mamakak. Friends, what about you? Huh? What about you? A true character of a person is revealed. Let me say it again. The true character of a person is revealed when he is in the dark. A true character of an individual is revealed when he is in the dark. Or shall I say, a true character of a person shines brighter when he is in the dark. Karahogin ikaw na isa, ay, wait, kita din, usulun na ilamig sa ligaw. Spider-Man, the amazing Spider-Man. Disguise na yun, shades na yun, sulod na yun. Uy, wapo ni Dre, San Pedro. Kanilang masama. Kamu na lang. The woman at Zarephath, it was her second mile, Lord, and last but not the least, he could have said, Lord, he could have called 10,000 angels to set him free. He could have called 10,000 angels, but he died alone for you and me. Jesus at the second mile, Ginoo sa langit, pastilan at talang anghel, bawagin sa kuha. And now, dinis kalimutan, gisagpa ko, ginuwaan ko, gikuhaan ko sa lina, nag-brief na lang ko. And I'm hanged between two robbers. Lord, if it's possible, let this cup pass from me. Not my will, but your will be done. Because I want to show the people or workers
will really live the second mile. Friends, kumusta ka na? I will show you a video clip again.